A blizzard warning has been issued for Hawaii. Wind gusts of up to 100 miles per hour and a foot of snow are forecast for the mountain tops of Mauna Loa and Mauna Kea through Saturday. A tropical storm is currently affecting the Hawaiian Islands and will continue to do so until Tuesday. Until at least 7 p.m., a flood watch is in force. Tuesday, December 7th, height for the possibility of road closures due to flooding. It's the first time in 3.5 years that the National Weather Service in Honolulu has issued a blizzard warning. The last time a blizzard warning was issued was in March of 2018.